already ready.
Once plastic is received from our suppliers, the ground plastic, which is weighed after quality has been controlled at the supplier's location, is stored into bags for the processing and the production of the AMABO roofing tiles. The unground plastic is then treated before grinding. The plastics, which comes in different sizes from spare part and damaged plastics, is properly treated. All metal parts removed if found on the plastics, as this is a highly unwanted element in the production of the tiles. The plastic is then cut down into smaller sizes which can easily fit into the grinder machine. Later, the prepped plastic is gradually put into the grinder where it is broken down to smallest particles, which is taken to the next production stage. This process is done with the unground plastic, and the result, which is the ground plastic, is filled into bags for further processing. Become a partner with the AMABO roofing tiles as a plastic supplier of either the ground or the unground plastic. Contact us on call or WhatsApp via the numbers +237 697 183 476 or 237 653 131 337. You can also visit our website on www.amabo.cm or visit our production center located in Likoki in the southwest region of Cameroon.
AMABO is premium, it's eco, and it's for a lifetime.
AMABO, AMABO, it's clean